Ang Kapsu Balay EBI is a support facility. So we are helping startups to be able to develop their businesses. Yung iba po, yung mga may tinatawag kaming pre-incubating na yung mga estudyante na gusto po mag-put up ng business in the future. Meron naman na nagpaplano pa lang na mag-start ng business, and some are those businesses who are already starting, yung mga micro, small and medium enterprise. So actually we in the Balay EBI are helping those incubators to improve their different products. Meron din for product innovation. So, and then sa helping them realize whatever goals they have for their respective business. Part of our services are the innovation and technology support. So dun po pasok po yung mga improvements, product development, or kung may mga possible machines na kailanganin nila that Kapsu have, they can adopt those machines or license those machines in the future. We have also the knowledge and technology transfer. So if ever may mga innovations din si Kapsu na i-adapt ni Incubati or may innovations Incubati, so it is our role also to have those innovations protected.